Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hafsu here, back with another video. This video is for all the girlies who have dark circles like me and they want to get rid of them. Starting with this Lush Organics Gloom to Bloom, it's an under eye serum and it is for tired eyes, puffiness and fine lines. जैसे under eye बहुत dark हो जाता है area, so this is for that. It has triple pump roller, which is why इसकी application आसान हो जाती है. Therefore, I'm going to rate it 9.5 on 10. Also, it has been tried and tested by my friends too. Therefore, I would suggest you guys to give it a try. I compared it with this coffee serum by Organic Traveler. Okay, so this is a coffee under eye serum and it claims to reduce puffiness and treats dark circles. But But honestly speaking, I did not find any major difference while using it. It comes with a cute roller ball and the bottle is nice too, but I did not find any major difference. Therefore, I'm going to rate it a 6 on 10. So this was an honest review. If you like my video, do comment, share and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.